I saw a snake skin here. Whew. I saw a snake skin here. Snake skin. Look at this. This is a snake skin that I saw here. So there's still snake here in the farm. I don't know where they are. Maybe over in that Masukal's place. Remember I told you that one snake ate my cheek. The snake f- four or 3 long meter. There, this is the snake's skin. Look at this. Oh. They say if you found snake skin, they are lucky. I don't know how true is that. Do you believe in that? Do you believe if you found snake skin, you are being lucky? Do you believe in that? So maybe I'm lucky. I'm always lucky. Well, wala namang mawawala kung maniniwala kayo sa ganon, right? May tao pa ba diyan? Or just me talking? Anyway, anyway, uh, every day is a lucky day for all of us. Kasi nagising tayo, 'di ba? Nakasama natin ang ating mga mahal sa buhay. So, maybe more lucky because nag-live tayo is meron nagpa twinkle twinkle in the sky ng mga mata ko. Sa sobrang init is they know how to make me smile, right? So yun. So that is the lucky one that happened to me today. That's two. So if I believe this, thank you very much. I found this. And they say you put the snake skin on your wallet so that your wallet uh, more luckier. How true is that is I don't know. Okay. Mm, I don't know. So it's up to you to believe, guys. It's up to you to believe. We respect each other's opinion. Okay? So, pabalik na ako doon and then mag-ayos na uli ako. It's 8:11, so a little more time. Okay? Thank you for staying. Thank you for dropping by. Okay, just comment down while I'm away. Nandyan lang